In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new user in QuickBooks. This process is a bit like inviting someone into your workspace, giving them access to exactly what they need to contribute to your business operations. Follow along to make sure you get each step right and avoid any hiccups in the process. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to QuickBooks by going to their homepage. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, you should see an area filled with all sorts of options, icons, and links. However, the one we're interested in today is the gear icon. It's likely located at the top right corner of your page, resembling a small spinning wheel or cog. This icon is essentially your gateway to the settings of your QuickBooks account, where you can manage all sorts of preferences. Give that gear icon a click, and a menu of various options will unfold before you. From here, you're going to want to look for the Manage Users option and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the current users who have access to your QuickBooks account. You can see who's involved and manage what they're able to do when using QuickBooks. Now, let's add a new user. Look for a button or link labeled Add User, which should be right there on the page. Clicking this will initiate the setup for adding someone new to your team. You'll be taken to a form where you need to input the new user's details. You'll see a section highlighted. This is where you type in the email address of the user you're looking to invite. The email is crucial since this is where they'll receive the invitation to join your account on QuickBooks. You'll follow up by highlighting another field, this time the name of the person you're giving access to. Make sure the details here are accurate, since this information will help personalize their future interactions with QuickBooks. After the name, there might be yet another section that needs highlighting, possibly a role or a specific permission setting for the new user, allowing you to define what areas of QuickBooks they can access. Once you've filled out these necessary fields, it's time to give one final review. Check the highlighted areas to ensure everything is correct. Then proceed by selecting the option to establish what kind of role the user will have. This could be anything from a basic user to someone with administrative privileges. Finally, once all the information is in and reviewed, you'll want to click on Send Invite. This sends a welcome email to the new user, inviting them to join your QuickBooks account. They'll need to accept the invitation before they can start using QuickBooks, so make sure they are on the lookout for it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your QuickBooks account, simplifying and enhancing your business processes by leveraging additional help.